Welcome back, folks. What we got here? 2012 Jeep Patriot Latitude Edition. Super cute, loaded, absolutely like new inside and out. Check out the body. No abuse on this car anywhere. Sitting on a brand new set of tires. 4 brand new brakes all the way around, fully serviced. Factory sunroof, auxiliary line in, leather wrapped steering wheel, premium sounds, privacy glass, luggage rack. This is a 2-owner unit, over 15 dealer service records. Vehicle's never been smoked in. No accidents on the Carfax. Dealer maintained 4x4 heated seats. Traction control, ABS braking, nice cargo hold. Just a great little piece. These Jeeps, we do fantastic with them. They do not last long. They get phenomenal gas mileage, nice size, great in the winter. This one's going to qualify for 3 months, 4,500 miles on the drive line. That's compliments of DasCleveland.com. You're also looking at a guaranteed credit approval for those folks that are struggling with their credit. This vehicle will fit perfectly in the molds. Get you in this vehicle for $795 starting down payment, and the truck is brand new. Brand new. Come on down, 5333 Diversified Auto Sales. That's Lorraine Avenue, Cleveland, Ohio, the west side of town. We got this vehicle ready to go for you. Perfect Carfax. Great Google reviews. Awesome guys here at the store ready to help you out. 24-hour online application, DasCleveland.com.